In this video, we'll be looking at tangents and normals and their connection with the gradient of a function. First of all, let's see what is a tangent and a normal. As you can see from the diagram, a tangent is a straight line that touches a graph at only one point. A normal is another straight line passing through the same point as the tangent, but is perpendicular to the tangent. There is a close connection between the gradient of a tangent and the gradient of a normal. Because they are perpendicular, you can see that perpendicular lines, when you multiply their gradients together, they equal -1. We will be finding the gradient of tangents and normals and finding the equations of their lines. This can appear in three forms. We can use y equals mx plus c. We can use ax plus by plus d, or the most commonly used form, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 to find the equation. Let's go through some examples. Example 1. Find the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve y equals x squared at x equals 3. If you do it in the following order, you should never go wrong. 1. Find the corresponding y value. 2. Differentiate your function. 3. Find the gradient of the tangent at x. 4. Find the gradient of the normal at x, if required. 5. Use the equation y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 to find the equations of the tangent and the normal. So let's do it. When x equals 3, y equals 3 squared, which is 9. That gives us our point 3, 9. Differentiate, so we get dy over dx equals 2x. So let's find the gradient of the tangent, which is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Find the gradient of the normal, which is equal to -1 over 6, using m1 times m2 equals -1. Now use the equation y minus y1 is 9 equals, so when x equals 3, y equals 3 squared, which is 9, giving the corresponding coordinates of 3, 9. Now we need to differentiate, so dy over dx is equal to 2x. Now we need to find the gradient m of the tangent, which is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. We use the fact that m1 times m2 is equal to -1 to find the gradient of the normal, which is equal to -1 over the gradient of the tangent. So the gradient of the normal is -1 over 6. Now we're going to find the equation of the tangent using y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 with our point is 3 and 9. So y minus 9 is equal to 6 times x minus 3. So we get y minus 9 is equal to 6x minus 18. Rearranging, therefore, we get y is equal to 6x. The minus 9 becomes a plus 9. So minus 18 plus 9 is minus 9. So that is the equation of the tangent. Now we'll use the same process to find the equation of the normal. So again we'll use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Substitute in our values. So we get y minus 9 is equal to minus 1/6 x minus 3. Multiply out, so we get y minus 9 is equal to minus 1/6 x. Minus 1/6 minus 3 is plus a half. Therefore, we get y is equal to minus 1/6 x plus a half plus 9. So that's plus 9.5, which is 19/2. Question 2. Find the equation of the normal at the point when x equals 4, when f of x equals x cubed plus 3x minus 2. We need basically three things. We need a point, we need a gradient, and then we need a formula. So let's do them in that order. Let's find the point first. So when x equals 4, f4 is equal to 4 cubed plus 3 times 4 plus 2. So f4 is equal to 4 cubed is 64 plus 12 is 76 plus 2 is 78. Now let's find the gradient. First thing we've got to do is find f dash of x, and that is equal to 3x squared plus 3. So we now want the gradient when x is 4. So we want f dash 4, which is equal to 3 times 4 squared plus 3. So f dash 4 is equal to 4 squared is 16 times 3 is 48 plus 1 is 51. Now we need to use the formula. So we're going to use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So we've got our point, our y value is 78, so we've got y minus 78 is equal to our gradient, which is equal to 51. X minus our x value is 4. So if we multiply out now, we get y minus 78 is equal to 51x. 4 times 51 is 102 doubled is 204. Take the 78 to the other side, we get y is equal to 51x plus 80 would give us 124 plus another 2 minus 126. Let's recap. When you're finding the tangent or the normal at a point on a curve, you need three things basically. You need the point on the curve where the tangent or the normal occurs. You need the gradient of the curve at that point, and you use one of the formulas for a straight line, usually y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, to find the equation of the tangent or the